Suncor oil sands. We were the first company to commercially develop the oil sands in northern Alberta, creating an industry that is now a key contributor to Canada's prosperity. Suncor produces 600 million barrel per day. Oil sand is a mixture of bitumen, sand, clay, and water. Because it does not flow like conventional crude oil, which is a liquid, it must be mined or heated underground before it can be processed. Once the bitumen has been extracted, we upgrade it into higher-value synthetic crude oil, diesel fuel, and other products. Suncor extracts bitumen in two ways, mining and in situ. Mining. About 20% of Canada's oil sands is close enough to the surface to be mined. Suncor uses large trucks and shovels to extract the oil sands that are near the surface, approximate 130 to 200 feet deep. Hot water is used to separate the bitumen from the sand. This step is called extraction. Bitumen is heated and sent to drums where excess carbon, in the form of petroleum coke, is removed. Vapors from the coke drums are sent to fractionators where they condense into naphtha, kerosene, and gas oil. The end product is synthetic crude oil, which is shipped to refineries across North America to be further refined into jet fuels, gasoline, and other petroleum products. Our surface mining operations. Suncor owned and operated. Millennium. North Steep Bank. Base Mine Extension, proposed. Suncor operated joint ventures. Fort Hills. Syncrude. In situ. Approximately 80% of Canada's oil sands are too deep to mine using the truck and shovel technique and must be tapped using in situ production, a three-part process to drill, inject steam and extract bitumen to the surface. The steam-assisted gravity drainage process. The top horizontal well reaches the oil sands ore and injects steam to heat the reservoir. The bitumen is separated by the heat, so, using gravity, it can flow as a liquid into the lower well. The bitumen travels along the lower well where it is collected and piped to upgrading facilities. Our SAGD in situ operations. Firebag. McKay River. Meadow Creek, proposed. Lewis, proposed. Land reclamation. We are focused on reducing the size and duration of the land we disturb through mining and returning the land to a naturally sustainable ecosystem. Through scientific research, best practices, and adopting traditional knowledge from indigenous peoples, we are facilitating the return to a biologically diverse landscape.